After a long night of grilling, relaxing, or warming up by the fire, your grills, stoves, fireplaces, and fire pits are filled with ash and dirty and dusty. Clean them up with the ASHJ201 electric ash vacuum from Snow Joe. Equipped with a dual filtration system that employs both a coarse dust pre-filter and a fine dust pleated filter, the Snow Joe Ash Vac effortlessly traps dust particles and prevents them from cluttering your clean air. No more dirty, dusty mess around your home. Just insert ASHJ201's aluminum intake nozzle into a pile of cold ash, flip the switch, and watch the powerful 4-amp motor generate up to 42.4 cubic feet per minute of airflow to leave your fire pit or fireplace fresh and clean for the next time. The extra-large metal canister holds up to 4.8 gallons of ash and dust, so you can finish your cleaning without stopping to empty the container. And when the job's done, simply empty out the self-contained bag-free system. Just lift the latch and dump, no struggling with gross, grimy bags. Plus, every Snow Joe tool is backed by our company's complete 2-year warranty for reliable, worry-free operation you can trust. The ASHJ201 4-amp, 4.8 gallon electric ash vacuum from Snow Joe. Get equipped.